Hey, welcome back to Thailand Virtual Travel Network. My name is Mark. I'm going to take a tour of the Chow Kit market. This market is primarily all fish and meat and produce. Just a wide variety, stuff I've never seen before. And loving my visit here. Let's take a look. You say you want some peppers? We got peppers. So it's about 12:30 in the afternoon here at the market, and I'd say it's at the peak. It opens early in the morning, not really sure what time, but it closes at 6 p.m. So this is prime time to be here and fulfill all your dreams. All your Malaysia dreams come true here at the Chow Kit market. I particularly like these small bananas. They're very chewy, not very sweet, really super delicious. Give them a try. So 10 of these small apples for $2.50, 10 ringgit. Yeah, they look pretty good, man. These melons are twice the size of my head. Why do they call it a wet market? Because it's all wet. Put your hands up, put your hands up. Bro knows how to market his meat. It's all about the lighting. I have to admit I don't really get the dried fish thing, but it's very popular here. Somebody leave me a note on how to use dried fish in a dish. I'd like to try it. You know, I'm interested. What is your name? Yeah. What is your name? Rija. Rija. All right, man. Good luck today. Oh my gosh. Good jump. Good job. Hello. Hello. Good boy. Hey, I found my biggest fan right outside the market.